If you ever tried auditing a Shopify store, you already know how painful it is. Broken links, duplicate pages, collection, and random index URLs, as you know. And honestly, most SEO audits take way longer than they should. So recently, I've been simplifying my SEO workflow for Shopify stores because I've been performing SEO for different brands instead of like manually checking pages, exporting different spreadsheets, and jumping between different tools. Like you have to go through multiple tools sometimes in order to find certain issues that are important for your SEO. I wanted a much faster way to understand what's actually wrong with a store. I found a great tool where you can do this. Let me show you. So first you have to take your Shopify store URL and put into this and click on start crawl, and it will complete your crawl within few minutes, even in seconds sometimes when the store does not have many URLs. I want to mainly focus on issues such as duplicate pages because they are tend to be duplicate pages for certain products. So you need to fix them. Broken internal links. So you have to make sure that there are no internally broken links. Meta issues, orphan pages. Sometimes pages are deep buried in the website structure and they won't get any priority in front of Google sites. So you have to make sure your all the pages of your website are well connected. This thing I noticed only with specific Shopify stores, that store owners don't have much technical knowledge. So SEO person needs to fix this on priority. Check out this website. This website has missing H1. Let's see which link has that. This one. So you need to also keep this thing in mind that when you are checking the issues, you need to make sure that the page definitely need the improvement. In this case, agents.md do not require any missing H1 requirement. External follow links. So you can check out which links you do not require and you can add a no follow tag there. So your authority do not flow there. There comes the orphan pages. These are very important. And we have like 106 pages that are orphan for this brand. So you need to make sure that these are well connected within your website structure. So Google also understand that these products are also your priority along with other products. Otherwise, there are high chances in today's AI era that Google is going to put them or de-index them. Then they will show up in your search console that these pages are crawled but not indexed, because in front of Google you're showing that the site owner is not showing priority for these pages because they are not linking themselves. So why should they crawl this? URL special characters, missing canonical. So you can make sure that all these critical and medium issues are resolved on priority. Internal linking on Shopify stores gets messy really quickly, especially once products collection and filters start scaling. This is actually one of the reasons I started building this to CrawlBeast. I wanted something that helped me understand issues faster, prioritize them properly in a way that SU people understand. We can stop wasting hours inside spreadsheets and figuring out where the issue actually is. With this tool, I can understand most of the issues within minutes and trace them very quickly and start fixing them. Honestly, most Shopify SEO problems are not complicated. The workflow is just insufficient or inefficient. Once you simplify the audit process, technical SEO becomes way easier. So you can integrate this tool into your workflow, fixing your Shopify stores. I've placed the link in the description. You can check out.